Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'll be showing you how to cook beans and corn. So I'm using the Oloyin, the honey beans, to make this recipe. I start off by picking the beans, taking away any stones or chaff there, after which I'll wash it. Traditionally, beans and corn is made using corn off the cob, but that takes a long time and consumes a lot of gas. And I particularly don't really like the taste, so I prefer using sweet corn in making my beans and corn recipe. So for today I'm going to be having beans and corn with plantain and stew. Please guys, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Don't forget to click on the thumbs up button to let me know you enjoyed this video, and leave me a comment. If you also want to find out how to keep weevils out of your beans or your grains, weevils are those small insects that like to crawl around beans. If you want to know how to keep them out permanently from your beans or your dry food, then check out my blog, because I have a post on my blog on how to keep weevils out of your pantry.